guys, it's your girl India, back at it again with another video. So as you can see by today's title, we're making tacos tonight, and this is my first ever like cooking video, and it's kind of bad. It's only on like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and I was hoping it would be longer, but it's not longer. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment if the comments are on, and subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. It'll be in the description. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.
And now look like you on a vacation. Gotta get away, make it happen. Whatever happened just had to happen. On vacation, yeah. I know you've been dancing like you fucking got a reason. Dancing like it's something to believe in. Dancing like it's fucking dancing season. Blame it on the alcohol or blame it on sativa. The harder your heart to keep beating. Only feel bad while you thinking. Pop, pop, pop like PepsiCo. The best we smoke plus that 10. Look like you flew in from Mexico. Go, go, let me.
Yeah, that's fact. Yeah, that's fact. Yeah, that's fact.
Phone booming like the motherfucking trap. This sneak can get motherfucking slop. No arena, you get motherfucking clock. The soda was dirty soon as I twisted off the cap. I put us on the motherfucking map. Put a nigga government on the bullets in the scrap. Your whole face in my motherfucking lap. But I told that bitch to stop, I gotta finish this lap. I'm flyer than a motherfucking seagull. Hit image 3 times, that's a motherfucking redo. Yeah, that's facts, motherfucker, it ain't see-through. That ran at his bankroll like I need you.
Now you wanna buy me diamonds in Armani suits, Age of Venedini and Chanel 9 boots. Things that make up for all the games and the lies. Homework cards saying I apologize. Is you with me? How could you ever deceive me? The payback's a bitch, motherfucker, believe me. Nah, I ain't gay, this ain't no lesbo flow. Just a little something to let you motherfuckers know.
Watching. This was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.